All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model, this beautiful red with black leather interior, third row seatings, alloy wheels, roof racks, premium sound system, navigation system, fog lights, 12,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Seems to have a heavy scratch here, about 2 inches. Boop. About an inch, actually. This hood looks good. This fender looks good. Your front passenger rim, front driver's rim, sorry. It seems to be a little dirty. It's not curbing. It's about 730 seconds. Let me double check. Yeah, the hairline under 730 seconds. Yep. All right. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. That's some curving. No, it's just some dirt. Some dirt there. Tire thread here. It's at 830 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power doors, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. You jump into this vehicle. If I can find the keys, pow. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. I'm sorry, what am I talking about? This is what your AM, FM, CD player, audio set, all that good stuff. Looks good. Got your backup camera. Pow. All right. Navigation system. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Your heated seats and your heated steering. All right. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Instrument cluster, as you can see, no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 12,199. All right, looks good. I'll turn on the fog lights. Keeping it moving. It's got little power buttons here. Boom, boom. Let's keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC controls and rear AC vents. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. That's for the third row. That little button here closes this door automatically. Coming around your rear bumper. Looks pretty decent. Yep, there's just some dust there. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. Those seats do stow and go, as everybody pretty much knows. Here's your power button that closes this lift gate. And that looks nice. Here's your rear quarter. Looks pretty nice. I don't see any things, dents, or anything on there. Got your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is at 830 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. Here's some dust. See? Nothing really. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. This little button. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Door's good. Quarter's good. Here's your front passenger rim. I don't see any curbing on that. Your tire there is just a hairline on the 730 seconds. Coming around, lights are working, fog lights are working, car is running fabulous. Folks, once again, this is 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with 12,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.